Are you facing problems on the Flyin application, like the app is not responding correctly or it's constantly crashing? Well, there are some things that you can try in order to fix this problem. First, we need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't face any kinds of internet issues while using the application. However, if there are any other kinds of problem, you want to go to your settings, scroll down and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the tap on show all and tap on Flyin. After that, you want to offload the app from here and simply reinstall it again. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't have any kinds of problem logging in. However, if you face any kinds of problem after this, you want to simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.